Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome back to our course Affiliate Marketing Hacking, the 5 steps fast track method. In this lecture we will talk about why affiliate marketing, why you should choose this type of business and this model of business that I have also used in the last couple of years. Now let's go on in deeper into the lecture and into the information. So why affiliate marketing? Well, the first thing that I would point out is that it's one of the easiest and fastest way to start making money online. You don't need to have a company. You can earn commissions directly as a physical person, so you don't need to create an incorporated company or something like that. And it doesn't matter where you are in the world for most of the cases. It's a performance based model of business, so if you work more, optimize and get better results, then you earn more money, which is actually pretty cool because you decide how much money you want to earn. You can scale it, you decide how much you want to produce. You are an entrepreneur with somebody else's products or services, so you don't need to have stocks, you don't need to ship yourself the products if you are promoting physical products. Okay, if you are promoting ebooks, courses or stuff like that, you don't need to hold those courses yourself. You are just promoting and selling them. This is actually very awesome. So you can build yourself a steady passive income by promoting recurring commission based offers or forever green offers on a forever green website. And I could show examples to you related to this specific niche, and I will show you some examples so you have an idea. Also, I will show you some examples for the recurring commission based offers which can generate for you a passive income. Another advantage that you have is that there are people who are earning more than $1.5 million per year from affiliate marketing. This practically says, okay, this is a very good model of business. You have all the premises to succeed in this because there are other people out there that are crushing it with affiliate marketing. More than 3.3% of affiliates worldwide are earning more than $500,000 per year. That's more than, I don't know, like 95% of the population of the earth. At least 58% of affiliate marketers work from home, so you can have more time for your family, passions, or hobbies. You can choose what you want to promote, and you can earn commission as high as 75%. That's 3 times more than the actual vendor makes from a sale. So there are cases when you have even more benefits than the vendor itself if you are an affiliate. Now, why should you promote digital products? Okay, why should you go for the affiliate marketing in the digital product niche? Because there are some very good premises for that, and from my experience, I've been involved in affiliate marketing in selling physical products and services for other companies for more than 2 years right now, and I can definitely tell you that it's much more advantageous and beneficial for you from a financial standpoint, and not even just financial, to promote digital products. But why? Because for digital products you have an average of 50% commissions, and they can go on in some cases up to 100%. Okay, there are software launches in the internet marketing niche where people are leaving on the table 100% commissions to affiliates. I mean, that is like crazy. It's like you are giving out your product for nothing, okay, for free. Now, ClickBank, the largest digital product marketplace, gave out more than $1.5 billion in commissions to affiliates. I mean, that is like wow. Okay, that is just wow. You can't say anything more than that. So there is a huge marketplace for digital products out there. You can find easier recurring commissions offers because you can promote services like membership sites. Okay, and it's a growing niche, so the potential for promoting digital products is huge. Just think about it. We are living in an economy that is based on sharing information and knowledge. Okay, this is towards what we are going, what we are evolving to. So it just makes sense that the digital product marketplace will go larger and larger and larger with every year that passes. So practically we are facing a huge niche that will grow a lot in the next couple of years. So with that being said, I thank you for your attention. I know that you are more convinced now to take action into the affiliate marketing arena and towards the digital product marketplace. And I will see you in the next lecture with more information. Thank you. Bye bye for now. And to your online success, Sorin here.